In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your keybinds here in Fortnite Chapter 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you don't know, Chapter 7 did introduce a bunch of new mechanics like simple build, aiming down sights while jumping, and sliding, as well as so many other movement options. So updating your keybinds may make a big difference in how comfortable the game does feel. To change them, go ahead and begin by opening up your settings. And from here, you're going to see multiple tabs. Go ahead and go over to the keyboard and controls tabs, and you're going to see a bunch of different options on here. Just scroll down and you're going to see all of the keybinds. Now, there is going to be technically multiple tabs for the mouse and keyboard section. You're going to have the keyboard controls, which is going to be all your keybinds. But on top of that, if you have mouse sensitivity stuff that you want to change, that's going to be on the mouse and keyboard tab right here. But scroll through these, adjust all of your keybinds accordingly. To actually change one, you would just want to select it and then press any key and then change it again, and it would go ahead and adjust accordingly. And you're going to want to do this for movement, combat, building, and all of those new Chapter 7 actions, simple bind builds, material change, and really every other control in the game. Just make your adjustments, hit apply down at the very bottom, and you are good to go. Your new keybinds are going to be set. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.